So, hey everybody, how you doing? I'm John Lunn, aka Jonnychipz, and my good friends at Elgato have sent me over a whole heap of cool tech for me to try out. So, without further ado, let's jump straight on in and have a look at the new Elgato FaceCam. So here we have it. We've got the new Elgato FaceCam. So first part of this video is going to be the obligatory unboxing. And it just goes to show, you can see that my little camera that's recording this at the moment is probably not up to the job. And to be honest with you, I could probably do with a FaceCam to do this video. But anyway, there we have it. We have the new Elgato FaceCam. And we're going to go for a little bit of an unboxing here. A little bit of weight to it. Probably not as heavy as I'd thought that the camera would have been. But so what have we got then? Slide this little one out, pop that there for decorative purposes. So, as with most Elgato products, we're faced with a little bit of an instruction manual. Quite a nice, easy to follow instruction manual there. So we'll have a little look through that as we go. And we've got two compartments in the box. This must be the camera, and I'm guessing this is the cabling. So let's just jump in. Let's have a look then. So we'll pull this box out first. And what have we got? We have got a cable, and it is a USB-C cable, and it looks to be quite a lengthy cable actually, which is always a good thing because we always want to mount these cameras a little bit away from the base unit from time to time. Yeah, that's pretty good length cable there, not too bad. It would probably just about reach my PC tower, I think. Yeah, we're probably looking at that's probably a good, what, 1.5, 2 meter cable. Yeah, 2 meter cable in there. I'll have to look at the box really to tell me exactly what it is. And let's have a look at this then. So we've got the camera itself here in a little white bag. Pull that out. That's now empty. Sealed with an Elgato sticker. Let's have a look at this then. And there it is. There it is. The new Elgato FaceCam comes with a little flick out base that you can clip on your monitor as such. And yeah, it's not as heavy as I'd imagine it, but it's got a little bit of weight to it. It's got a little lens cap on there, USB-C terminal there on the back, and a little lens cap on the front. So if we unclip that, we can see the camera. Basically, this has been positioned as the ultimate webcam for streamers and professionals before you kind of get up to that DSLR or mirrorless technology in cameras. So, I mean, if we take a little look at this animation, we can see that it's got a prime lens. So it's got a 24mm prime lens, which is quite a nice wide scope lens. And we'll take a look at that in action in a bit. With a focus length of 2.4. What else have we got in there? We've got state-of-the-art sensor optimized for indoor use. A Sony Starvis CMOS sensor enables FaceCam to capture extraordinary detail with minimal noise. Absolutely great. A custom heatsink for cool operation. In the back, we've got some flash memory, so any settings that we need to make to the camera get saved onto that little chip there on the actual camera itself, which is cool. So I'm presuming that we can plug it in, and it'll capture our settings as we last save them. Advanced image engine, so an ultra-fast processor that works smarter to make your video look beautiful, and manual control, so you can dial in the look that you're going for, just like a DSLR. Okay, cool. And there we have it. USB 3 interface, obviously for that speed through of uncompressed video with low latency, and a USB-C connector for ultimate plug-and-play convenience. Clamp onto the monitor, attach multi-mount via the industry standard 1/4" thread. And there we have it. That's what it looks like on top of a monitor. It's a nice little unit. We're going to have a little look at it in operation now. So I'm going to stick this into my PC. And let's jump on over and take a look at what that actual image quality looks like. So we're going to browse over to the Elgato website and click on downloads here. And then let's find the downloads for our FaceCam. And if we select Windows, and then we've got the option to download this Camera Hub application. So version 1.0. It's around 102 meg in size, so that shouldn't take us too long to download. So there we go, it's just downloading. We'll go through the experience. So I've just hooked up my FaceCam to my PC with the USB cable, and we're just going to install this Camera Hub software. So let's just quickly run through this install, and then we can jump straight on into the camera and take a look at what that looks like. So here we go, just installing the Camera Hub. And there we go. We've got the Camera Hub installed. and we've got initializing video engine, and there we go. We have the FaceCam. There it is. So this is via my desktop. So what I'll do in a second, I'll record this. I'll show you what it's like comparison side by side with my DSLR and the FaceCam. So just looking at some of these settings, if I maximize this view now for a second, we've got the import is the Elgato FaceCam, and we can see we can control the zoom in and out, which is pretty cool. Got the ability to change our contrast and saturation levels of color and the sharpness of the picture. And we've also got the ability to do the exposure. So these are kind of features and functionality that you don't tend to get with webcams. They're more for DSLR or mirrorless cameras. So we just take that off automatic, and let's just bring the shutter speed down to, well, around about 1/64th, and then let's just up the ISO slightly. Yeah, there's a lot of white balance, probably could do with a little bit of tweaking. But yeah, there's some great control that we've got here. Wow. Like I say, that's generally for more DSLR type cameras. So that's pretty cool. So we can adjust and play with that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get these settings to a point, and then we'll see what the comparison is like next to the DSLR camera. There we go. We've got both cameras up side by side there. I hope you'll agree that I tried to frame the shots roughly about the same. So we've got on the left there, the FaceCam image, which I'm sure you'll agree is quite something. I fiddled around with the settings to get it roughly almost close to the same sort of saturation and ISO level as my DSLR camera, which is the Canon M50D there. That Canon M50D is running over a HDMI capture card. So you can kind of see, I mean, there's a little bit of a delay on the capture card you can see there that's factored in for the HDMI, but the FaceCam is coming through, I hope you'll agree, quite significantly well. Obviously, you can adjust the things like saturation and color balance and white balance and things like that, but they're all in the configuration that you can do with the actual Elgato FaceCam, the FaceHub application itself.